Hello everyone! Hope you all are doing well. Today we will be making a miso butter flank steaks. As you can see here, I just bought 2 of these slabs of flank steaks from our local market. It is so beautiful and marble all over, which is perfect content of the fat that I need. Now I'm gonna season it with salt. So it's very simple. I'm just gonna scatter and sprinkle the salts all over the flank steaks, followed by freshly ground black pepper. Now I'm just gonna set it aside and we'll continue with it later. Okay, so for now I'm going to pre-make the miso butter sauce by adding 1 out of 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter into the saucepan and about 2 tablespoons of white miso paste in a medium to low heat. So this is about 2 tablespoons of miso paste. Now once you put that into the saucepan with the butter, keep stirring consistently because it can burn very easily. Once the paste is incorporated with the butter, it will dry up kind of like this, and you toss in the minced garlic. I believe my heat is now in the medium. If you feel that it's not doing much, turn it up a little bit, but for now it's medium high, and I'm adding water. This is about 1 cup of water into the paste. Again, you want to stir consistently and try your best to prevent clumps. The miso tends to do that. Now add in the remaining 4 tablespoons of butter that you had earlier and keep stirring until the sauce is creamy and silky looking. This is about 1 teaspoon of Siracha chili. If you like it spicy, by all means go for 1 tablespoon. But this is what I'm going to add into the sauce. Again, stir consistently and just give it a good stir. My heat is now lowered to medium low. I took a spoon to check for the coating. Now if the sauce coats the spoon like the way you see here, then it's pretty much ready, and you can do a taste test and adjust to taste and turn off the heat. Alright, let's go back to the flank steak. I have here a grill mark pan to sear the flank steak. That way I will have a nice lining of the grill mark. Now the flank steaks are very thin, so you don't want to overcook it because then it's going to be very tough. But given the circumstances, it's dark outside, so I'm cooking inside with the grill mark pan. I'm going to sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. If you want to put weight on the flank steak to give that strong grill mark, that by all means do so. But this will do for me. I just want a medium rare flank steak. So I would recommend cook about 2 to 3 minutes per side to get that medium rare. And of course check for the grill mark. So once it's done, slice them, put them in a plate, and just go ahead and garnish it with the pre-made miso butter sauce, cilantro, and wedge of lime before you serve. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe.